Welcome to the brand new 2024 GMC Yukon XL SLT in frosted pine metallic. This SUV is powered by a 5.3-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Yukon, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, button-activated driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, 10.2-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, button-activated shifter, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Yukon, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Continental cross-contact tires. Moving on, we have chrome door handles with paint-matched accents, Yukon badging on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, GMC plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, chrome trim along the bottom of the doors, step assists are installed, rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim all around, roof rails are also installed. At the back of the vehicle, you can find the Yukon, GMC, and SLT badging here on the hatch. Heading back inside the Yukon XL, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your third row. USB-C charging ports are on either side of the vehicle. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV. In the second row, cup holders come down here in the middle. In the center console of the vehicle, you can find 2 more cup holders, the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, 2 additional USB-C charging ports, and a power outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 GMC Yukon XL SLT. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.